Hey guys, Jay with you. Next project. We got a blowout. These cheap old plastic tires, if you want to call them that, and you see how warped that one is. And it's already starting to break. The other one was totally gone. The only thing that was on there was the plastic hub. And this is one of those ones that has that little cap that's a booger to get off there. So I've already taken the other one off. We're going to take this one off, and I don't know if I'm going to bore you and put you through the pain of taking that off. But what I did find is I've got some wheels I've had out in the shed for a while. They're actually belonged to my dad, and when he died I ended up with a bunch of his crap at my house. But I thought, well, you know what, I'm going to replace these. But the problem is, you know, I can't get them on there close enough, I don't think. But the diameter is just a little bit smaller. I don't think it's going to affect anything. But these actually have bearings in them. So they're not just sitting on the plastic. So I think these are better wheels. Steel rims. These are plastic. The only caveat to that is once you pull this off, there's no way to keep the wheels on. So I'm going to have to get them on there and mark them, and I'm going to have to put either a hitch pin or a cotter pin in there to keep them on. So that's what we're going to do. See if this will just pop off. I doubt it, but I'd be really shocked. Yeah, I don't think it's going to go. And usually once you get these off, they're boogered up so bad that you can't save them anyway. Usually. Once in a while you'll get lucky and they won't be all boogered up, but the other one I took off, it was pretty much destroyed. So yeah, I'm not going to be able to get that. Yeah, it's not even wanting to turn. I can already tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to bust that wheel and I'm going to have to knock it off from the back side. Stick around. Like I said, that's what happened. It broke. I was able to wiggle it off finally with a pair of channel locks, but I tore it all up trying to wiggle it off, so it's no good anyway. But there you go. Let's see the difference in diameter. It's not much, and I don't think it'll hurt, but right now I can't get them on because of all the rust and the crap on there, so I'm going to work on it. With a piece of emery cloth and see if I can't get those on there. So once I get that cleaned up and I get them back on, we'll set them on there and put them on the ground and see if they'll work. If not, I'll be ordering whatever size that is. So stick around. Okay, we got them on temporarily because I'm going to have to mark them and then I'm going to have to drill a hole for the cotter pins. But yeah, there's a little short, but they'll sure work. That'll put another piece of equipment back in service. All right, so let me get these marked and drilled out, and then I'll bring you back. And just like that, come on, baby. And just like that, she's functional again. Boom shakalaka. Just saved, I don't know, what, 40, 50 bucks? Anyway, now we can move big packages around or whatever. Anyway, thank you for joining me. That was just something else I needed to do. I wanted to get that off my chest, get it out of my garage. Got rid of the wheels, I get rid of that junk. So we're on a roll. We'll see you on the next one.